Humans are damaging the earth by releasing many harmful pollutants and chemicals into the atmosphere. The first way humans release pollution into the air is through manufacturing plants. Many plants use smokestacks, which emit high levels of carbon monoxide, organic compounds, and chemicals into the air. Coal power plants often use smokestacks to release air pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides high into the atmosphere in order to ensure the pollution does not hurt the local community too much. However, due to the wind currents at higher altitudes, the pollution travels very far rather fast. Humans rely greatly on cars, trains, and other forms of transportation, and often overuse them. Cars, trains, airplanes, and other forms of transportation all burn a lot of fossil fuels in order to function. Emissions from automobile engines contain both primary and secondary pollutants, which are major causes of pollution and ones that are very hard to manage. It is so hard to manage because humans rely heavily on vehicles for transporting people and goods. All of the fumes from cars and other vehicles contain dangerous gases such as carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, hydrocarbons, and particulates. Those chemicals alone cause great health risks to people who breathe them in. However, they also often react with other environmental gases to create further toxic substances, such as acid rain. Carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, as well as hydrocarbons are all harmful chemicals that are released from cars and other vehicles. Fumigating homes, household cleaning products, painting supplies, over-the-counter pest killers, and fertilizers all emit harmful chemicals into the air and cause pollution. In many cases, when we use these chemicals at home with no or little ventilation, we could get very sick if we breathe them. Also, when these chemicals are used in large areas of land, they often release harmful pollutants that not only hurt humans but also greatly hurt the environment and the health of the atmosphere. The pollution released from cars or smokestacks or any other human action often causes chemical reactions that create acidic compounds which greatly hurt vegetation as well as its surrounding environment. Sometimes when an air pollutant such as sulfuric acid combines with the water droplets that make up clouds, the water droplets become acidic, which causes acid rain. When acid rain falls over an area, it can kill trees and vegetation as well as harm animals, fish, and other creatures. Despite the pollution humans are causing, there are efforts to fix the pollution. A lot of governments worldwide are investing in wind energy and solar energy, as well as other renewable energy, in order to reduce the burning of fossil fuels such as coal from smokestacks, which cause heavy air pollution. Many governments are also forcing companies to be more diligent and accountable of their manufacturing activities, so that even though they still cause pollution, they are a lot more controlled. Car manufacturing companies are also building more energy-efficient cars that release less SOx, NOx, carbon monoxide, and particulate matter with the use of catalytic converters. Although these cars still provide some pollution, it is significantly less than before. A way in which all of us can help reduce the amount of pollution that we release into the air is by taking public transportation, such as buses, trains, and bikes. Although it might be challenging to give up driving your car every day, think of how much it could help the environment. The smallest actions, like buying a more energy-efficient car or taking public transportation, can have the largest effects on reducing air pollution all over the world.